In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can dropship from AliExpress to eBay. This is going to be a step-by-step video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to find a winning product and how to list it on your eBay and how to avoid eBay suspension. Okay, so by the way, I'm not going to use any software on this video. I used software in the past, but it really doesn't work for me. I was doing like $8,000 a month, and the day I started to use software, I just connected it to my eBay account. Like eBay flagged my account from $8,000 a month to $1,000 a month. I don't know exactly what happened. If you have like any idea about this, let me know in the comments. It really doesn't work for me. Software is really I would say like a waste of money, because like doing product research manually is way better. You can find products that people that you cannot find on software, because software like makes this process easier for everyone. So the products you find on software will, like, other people will be able to find these products on software too. So there will be a very big competition. So even if you list the winning product, because like thousands of people are going to list the exact same product, so it doesn't really make sense anymore. Okay, so what you need to do, guys, to do like product research manually, to do product research manually, guys, what I do is I go to AliExpress. By the way, like I said, I'm going to show you guys step by step. I'm going to show you guys how you can do dropshipping the correct way on eBay. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because I have been doing this for a very long time, so I know exactly what I'm trying to do here. Okay, so I'm not going to sell you guys any course or any software or anything like that. I just want to add value to you guys. I want to help you like reach your dreams with e-commerce. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, is you want to go to AliExpress and check their products. Okay, go to AliExpress and then see the products that they have on their website. Okay, so as you can see, there are a lot of products here. Now, to find a winning product, this is really my strategy. Make sure you watch it, like I said, this video till the end, so that you don't make any mistake in this process. Now you want to go and click on any product on AliExpress. It doesn't really matter. Okay, now I'm going to click on this product, for example. Okay, now I'm going to copy this title. Okay, why I need to copy it? Because I'm not going to list this product right now. Okay, now you might be asking me, okay, this product has a lot of sales on AliExpress. It has like 103 sold items here, like sold. As you can see, it has like over 100 sold items. But that doesn't mean this product is a winning product, because I don't know if people are interested in this product on eBay or not. Even if it's a successful product on AliExpress, like people that go to AliExpress and people that go to eBay are completely different. Okay, so I have to know if people are going to be interested in this product or not. How we can do that? Easy. Okay, we have to find other dropshippers that are doing dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay, if that makes sense. I'm going to show you guys what I mean exactly. Now I'm going to copy this exact title here from AliExpress and I'm going to search for it on eBay and see if people are selling this exact same product. Okay, now I'm going to search for it right now. It seems like a lot of people are selling this product. Okay, now the products you need to click on is products that says location in China. Okay, now I'm going to click on this product, for example. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. As you can see, the item is located in China, so that's exactly what we want, because we are drop shipping from AliExpress to eBay. So AliExpress is a Chinese website. Now if you are wondering if the shipping time is a problem on eBay, the answer is no. So you don't really need to worry about this. I know you are going to hear things like, oh, the shipping time is very long from AliExpress to eBay. People are going to complain. People will open a dispute against you. It rarely happens. Okay, it's like 1%. Okay, if like 1%, like if you made $1,000 in profit and a person said, oh, the shipping is very long, you can just refund them and then get your refund from AliExpress. You didn't lose anything. Okay, by the way, guys, if there is something I forgot, you don't understand, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Okay, now after you find the product, like I said, you want to go and check the item location. Focus on that. If it says China, then we need to look at other things. Okay, this product is qualified but we need to look at other things. What you guys need to do, you want to click on like you want to check if this product is getting sales on eBay. How we can do that? You want to open a new tab and search for this extension that will allow you to see like the sales history. Okay, I'm going to show you guys what I mean exactly. Now I want to download this extension. Click on eBay sales history extension. Okay, now this is the extension. Just add it to your Chrome. Click on add to Chrome, and that's it. Like this extension will help you to see history, like sales history or purchase history. This is how it works. I'm going to show you guys how it works right now. I'll show you guys what I mean exactly. Okay, so as you can see here, after you add the extension, there will be now this history button inside the product, every product page on eBay. Now if you click on it, as you can see, if you click on it, it will show you the sales history, the date of purchase, if that makes sense. Now you need to focus on 3 sales in the last month. Okay, that's exactly how I find a winning product. Okay, even if you find, by the way, I know this is like a lot of people will not see that. Okay, so another thing is, like I said, okay, after you download the extension, you want to click on history here. Okay, and as you can see, this product got more than 3 sales in the last month. Like 10 December it has 1 sale, 12 December another sale, 20 December another sale. Okay, so this product is qualified. Now should I list this product? The answer is yes, but we have to look at another thing here. Okay, we have to look the location of the seller, not the location of the item. With the location of the item is China, we know that, but the location of the seller, we have to check it. We have to go and see the location of the seller. Click on their username, and you want to click on about. And as you can see, the location is United States. So this guy is a dropshipper. We have to copy him. Okay, this guy is dropshipping from AliExpress because he lives in United States, and yet the item location is from China. So this guy is dropshipping, and that's exactly what we are searching for. We are searching for people that dropship from AliExpress to eBay, so that we can see what they are selling and we can copy them. Okay, that's exactly what I do, guys. If you are wondering what I do with my life, that's exactly what I do. I try to find dropshippers and they copy them. That's what I do for a living. Okay, so as you can see here, guys, now what I'm going to do, because this product has 3 sales in the last month, and this guy is a dropshipper because the location of the store is United States and the location of the item is China. This guy is a dropshipper. Should we list the product? The answer is yes. Okay, now another thing you need to focus on is, after you are listing the product, don't copy the AliExpress title. Okay, even if it has like 100 sales, 100 sales here on AliExpress, like I said, this title on eBay is proven to work on eBay. People are searching for these keywords on eBay, so you have to copy the exact same title from eBay seller. Okay, now don't worry, there is no like competition thing or anything like that. Like just copy the exact same title. If you are wondering if it is going like to take down your listing because you copied the exact same title, the answer is no. So don't worry about it at all. Okay, so just copy the title and start listing the product. Okay, click on sell and click on create listing, click on single listing, and then paste the title that you have copied from eBay seller because it's proven to work. Okay, click on continue to listing. Now as you can see, this product is $9 and he is selling it for $17, which is good. Okay, the profit margin here is around $5. Keep in mind that eBay takes 13%. That's why the profit margin is $5. Okay, so anything else like the pictures, the description, download them from AliExpress. Now there are a lot of extensions that will help you download images from AliExpress. Just go to open a new tab and search for AliExpress download image extension. Okay, There are a lot of extensions that will help you do this. One of them is AliSave. Download AliExpress images and videos. Okay, so you just need to download the extensions. It will help you download images. Now after you reload the page, you will be able to see the download button added to the AliExpress product. If you click on it, you will be able to download all these pictures. Now after you download the pictures, you want to add them here where it says drag and drop files. And after that, after you add the pictures, you want to copy the AliExpress title. I'm sorry, you want to copy the AliExpress description, not the title. I'm sorry. Okay, so you want to click here on description, and this is the description of the product. You want to copy the description and paste it on your eBay listing here on description. I'm going to go to description here and paste it here. Okay, that's exactly what you need to do. Now you can also like copy the images. Just right click on copy image and go and like paste the image here, like right click or Ctrl V to paste the image on your description. Now don't do this mistake a lot of like new sellers do. Make sure the description on AliExpress doesn't say any AliExpress word on it. Okay, there is no AliExpress word in the description. If there is AliExpress, you want to remove it from the description. You can do that by clicking on Ctrl J and search for AliExpress. And as you can see, there is no AliExpress word on the description, so we can just copy this description and add it to our eBay listing. Okay, so like the item specifications are easy. Just copy them from the seller on eBay. Okay, just go to the eBay listing, and if you scroll down, you will be able to see all the item specifications here. Item specifics like the materials used to create this item, it's plastic, the gender, the brand. Always, by the way, brand always go with unbranded. Okay, don't add the brand there. Okay, always go with unbranded. It really helps to avoid getting suspended on eBay, because a lot of like big companies go to eBay and try to destroy new sellers. They just take down their listings and eBay like closes their account. Okay, so that's exactly how you can do this. So after guys you list the item, after you receive some sales, I just got a sale right now. I'm making video and I got a sale. Okay, so after you get the sale guys, make sure you ship the product like immediately. Okay, don't wait like 3 days 4 days to ship the product. Now after you receive a sale, go to AliExpress and search for the product that you have listed, and instead of putting your address, I guess you already know how dropshipping works. Instead of putting your address, you put the address of the customer, and AliExpress ships, or the seller on AliExpress ships the product automatically to the customer. So that's all you need to do guys. This is how this business works. Make sure you ship the product as soon as possible. After the product is delivered, contact the buyer on eBay, ask them for a positive review. That really helps you guys to get more sales on eBay. That's really my experience. Okay, like eBay will show your listings more on search results. Now if you want me to do this for you, you want me to list products, and literally just give me a new eBay account and I will take it from $0 to $3,000 a month without you doing anything. So it's going to be a passive income for you. Like every month you will be able to make $2,000, $3,000 a month from eBay. Now I have created 2 gigs on Fiverr. If you want, I will add the link on the description. This work is going to be 100% done by me. Okay, and there is no software I'm not going to use any software to do that for you. Okay, so I will add guys the link of the gigs on the description of this video. Just go to the description and click on the link, and it will take you guys to my gigs, and then see which package you want, and I can help you guys. You can also negotiate with me guys on the messages. I can help. I want to help as many people as possible. Just go see you guys there and contact me, and see you guys next video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. By the way, like even if you don't go to Fiverr, just go to the comments and ask me any question. I reply to every single comment guys. Okay, so just let me know guys in the comments. If you want to do this alone, let me know in the comments. I can help you guys. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Please drop a like and see you guys next video.